We're here today at the County of Stettler Public Workshop for an emergency management exercise. Stettler County is taking part along with a number of area municipalities in a scenario where the Dixon Dam in Red Deer County has failed. The scenario will look at the implications of that and what lessons can be learned from it. The simulation highlighted the impact a dam failure could have, such as releasing a devastating wall of water that would damage bridges, critical infrastructure, and water systems.
Good portion of downtown Red Deer would be underwater. The hospital itself would be heavily impacted underwater as well. They'd be dealing with a lot of those types of problems. They'd be dealing with catastrophic damage to the Anthony Henday water treatment plant. All of the bridge infrastructure, basically from Dixon Dam and Glenifer Lake all the way to the Saskatchewan border, would be compromised in some way, shape, or form.
The exercise was designed to test how local governments would respond in the immediate hours after a disaster and in the days that follow. Inside the Stettler Community Hall, emergency social services staff and volunteers have set up a full-scale evacuee center.
We've had volunteers that have just randomly come that want to help out, 20 volunteers that want to help out here at the reception center. We've also had somebody that needs an insulin kit. We've also had various pets that have been come to us along with their owners, and so we've had to get some pet kennels arranged.
From the moment evacuees enter the building, the process mirrors what would happen in a real emergency. They're met by volunteers, fill out intake forms, and are assessed for urgent needs, medical care, accommodation, and support services from the province. Back at the county shop, the Regional Emergency Operations Center's in full swing. A media scrum was held with emergency management staff and elected officials to simulate the evolving communication response in a situation like this.
We've learned a lot about our water supply, how long our water supply would last from our reservoirs if we had a catastrophic water failure.
The town's water intake and treatment ponds would likely be wiped out. Reservoirs would eventually run dry. And the only immediate option would be to truck in non-potable water, which could be complicated with the boil water advisory in effect. That also brings new problems, from maintaining sewer flow with limited water to dealing with fire risk and ensuring hospitals, care homes, and the public stay supplied.
It's been a fantastic exercise for us today to have all our regional partners gather, as well as the neighbors join in on today's exercise.
So this has been very valuable knowledge and experience that we're gaining today in case we really need it. So we have some staff that are gaining a lot of information and knowledge and expertise into how to deal with certain situations.
The exercise was coordinated with the Alberta Emergency Management Agency, members of the Stettler RCMP, and the Stettler Regional Fire Department. For Hometown Productions and Media, I'm Landon Chambers.